Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can do a release for your Neutralinojs application. In other words, how you can make application bundle that users can download via internet and they can use it. There I am going to create a small project using new command to demonstrate how you can do a release. I am going to use new create command to create a simple application here. So this will download basically the JS starter kit, starter template, and create a project. Now I'm going to enter to the directory that is created recently, which is test app. Now I'm going to open my favorite text editor because I need to edit some source files, which is light. I will go to this app.js directory and going to remove this show settings thing because it will display some alert message, but I don't need to show alert message right now. And in HTML, this index HTML, the main template file, I'm going to add a title here. Just some random text. Since I modified this src directory contents, I need to run new build now because it will transfile this JS this src contents, the JS files, and it will make this app.js eventually. Now I'm going to enter new build for that, so it will create this app.js from my modifications. Now I am going to enter new run to make sure it is working fine. As you can see, it is working fine. The message is here. Now there is no alert message showing the settings like that. Let's check how you can release your application, how you can make application bundle. If you check the current directory contents, you have app directory here. Inside this app directory you have a set of JSON setting files. This file is used by the current application. You have the main HTML file and set of assets, app.css for styling like that, and here you have the src file that contains basically the JavaScript source for your application. So now I'm going to enter new release. This is the command that can be used for releasing Neutralinojs applications. If you enter this one, we can see this folder is created. If I open this one, you can see folder and a zip file. Inside the folder you can see res.new. The res.new is having all the application resources, including your JS files and CSS files and HTML and settings JSON, of course, and graphics. Whatever you are having inside the app directory will be merged into this res.new resource file. And you have application launcher for Linux and for Mac, for Windows. If you go to this directory, you can see all the things are zipped into this zip file as well. So when you are going to release your application, when you are going to share your application, you can share this file. If you go to this release directory, and if you double click this one, you can see it is working fine, but there is no app file. All the things will be loaded from this res.new. Many developers mentioned that if we double click this one, it is not working fine, it's not working as expected. The issue is that we can clearly see if we try to launch this one, this launcher, we are getting some errors. The errors are saying that the res.new is missing, because if we double click on this one, it is trying to load resources from res.new, but it is not there. What you can do is, if you are trying to launch this one using this dot command, you can easily enter this flag here, load dir res. It is saying that all the resources should be loaded from app directory. If you enter like that, it is working fine. But if you use new commands, new listen or new run, this application will be launched fine, because these commands are automatically adding that flag, right? This is how you can do a release. In next video I am going to show you how you can use that new listen command properly. There is some newly added flag as well, that is auto build. I'm going to show how you can use this one as well in next video. See you in next video.